Yeah, so I'm going to show you. All right, so this is my doorway. This is my mom's room, and then yeah, we have this door here for now just so I can close something. So when you walk in, you see all my YouTube stuff. This is where the magic happens. I have my light box, my soft box right here. I have another soft box over there. I have my backgrounds that I use. This right here is actually a hanger, like a clothing hanger. It's actually really cheap. I got it at Walmart, I think for like 10 bucks. So yeah, I think this is like a decent, like good start for now to just use that. Then when we come over here, I have just my extra fabrics I use for my backdrops. And I have an extra chair just in case I film with someone or like do a collab or whatever. Over here I have my steamer for my backdrops so that they're not all wrinkly. And then I have my makeup brushes right over here. Tried to make it nice and cute with a little candle. Chris actually got that for me. And we have my makeup Alex drawer that I got from IKEA. When we come over here, I have my little chair I film on, and I have this little mirror I have, and I have another mirror over here. This one actually lights up like that, so that's that. And then I have my ring light and my tripod. So this room is kind of half beauty room, half like hair salon, half YouTube beauty room, because I kind of wanted everything to come together. So my dad got me this hairdressing chair for my birthday recently, so I figured that it'd be perfect to have this in here, and then I figured having a sink in here would be really, really cool as well. So over here I have just a little stand I got from Marshall's. It's really cute, it's marble. And I have my little mirror over here to look to see like when you're doing someone's hair. I have my little magazines, and then I'm gonna be eventually getting a caddy to put all my hairdressing stuff in, because right now it's all in my thing upstairs, which is annoying, so I have to bring it all the way up from downstairs. All the way down from upstairs. And then over here I just have my little workspace. This is my little desk. I have a printer, my little computer, my router, and then like my chair. And I have a little marble cutting board I got at Marshall's. It's really, really cute. It's easier to write on than like this fabric, because we actually had to spray paint this. This was actually like a wood, fake wood look. That's my laptop. I have a little holder here, my little display of lipsticks, little mirror again, and this is my sink. This chair goes with the sink. I don't want to put it here because then you're not going to be able to walk. So I have my little shampoo and conditioner here with towels, and then my laundry basket. This chair actually goes back, so when I want to use it, I just put the chair right in front of here, flip it back, and then we can do some hair. Yeah guys, that's basically it. I got this carpet. I love it. I literally won't let anyone step on it with their shoes because I'm so paranoid that it's gonna get dirty. But yeah, so I got this carpet at I got it at Home Goods. It was like $80, but it was honestly so worth it. Like, it's like so fluffy and like such good quality. I love it, I love it. So yeah guys, that is basically my beauty room. And I told you guys it was going to be a quick one. If you want to see me do a makeup collection video, then just thumbs up this video and let me know if you want me to do that. And yeah, this is it. This is where the magic happens. This is where I stay up at night and edit and do everything. Make some extra dollar bills. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Yeah, if you want to see me do that makeup collection video, please thumbs up the video. Please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.